Okay guys, 2023 Ford Timberline Explorer, 2.3 motor, turbo. Well, these are more their off-road edition. This is a rebuilt title, rear damage. It was on the passenger side quarter panel. Wasn't too bad. So 23,912 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist. All your driver assist packages. Apple CarPlay. Navigation. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. All your different drive modes. Does have wireless phone charging. Smart key there. Does have the B&O sound system. Powerful mirrors with blind spot monitors. Power seats, all weather floor mats. Panoramic sunroof. Your VIN number. Rear heated seats. Six passenger. This does have the tow package here on the back. Power lift gate, rear parking sensors. And again, that's all leather. So damage is right through here. Very light. I've got pictures I can show you. Alignment passed. Sorry guys, it's the original window sticker. See all your extras. Again, damage was right through here. Rebuilt title, all fixed up, ready to go. 2023 Explorer. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.